So I'm sitting in my living room and I'm watching QVC and they're talking about air fryers. And they got like all these big air fryers and they're like a 3.5 quart air fryer. Everybody writes me on the show. Hey Jack, can you do the Philips air fryer? Hey Jack, can you review the air fryer? What do you think about air fryer cooking? I'm gonna address it right now. They're like over $100, okay? Save your money. Stop buying air fryers. There, I said it. I seriously care about saving you guys money. The thing about an air fryer is it allows the heat to cook under the food. It has a little fan in there and it rotates all the air. But listen, this is all you need. A cookie sheet with foil and a cooling rack. One of these racks. They sell them as sets now for like 10 bucks. You can get this at Walmart for like $10. Even if you take one of these that don't even fit on your cookie sheet, just lay it over the top so it hangs over. Who cares? Put your food right here, and then when you bake in the oven, the heat gets under it. It makes the French fries crispy. It makes the chicken awesome. And it's funny because every time you see an air fryer commercial, number one, wow, like there's no other way to make French fries but on an air fryer. I'm not buying a French fry maker. Look guys, look, watch, ready? Just make sure it doesn't fall through the edge, lay them out. And I'm gonna cook these. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. And pop this in the oven according to the bag. If you want them extra crispy, leave them in a little bit longer. I'll be right back. Look at how perfect they look. I always like the tips to be brown. So if you look like this French fry right here, the tip's brown, but it's not like burning or anything. They're not soggy on any side. Look, they're moist inside. They're firm and crispy on the outside. Fully cooked all the way around. This is exactly what my French fries looked when I pulled them out of the air fryer. So when I say stop buying air fryers, I mean it. Air fryers can only do a little bit of food at a time. You can't, like a family of 4, I can't get enough chicken in there. All right? You got the whole oven. Use the oven. Get these at the store at Walmart or Target or wherever you shop for like 10 bucks. All right, guys? So make use of this tip. Save your money. I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode.